Hello, this is Ronald's AI clone here to explain Cat cables. Cat 3, Category 3, max speed, 10 Mbps, max bandwidth, 16 MHz. Use case, outdated, was used for telephone wiring and 10 base T Ethernet shielding, unshielded UTP. Cat 5, Category 5, max speed, 100 Mbps, max bandwidth, 100 MHz. Use case, legacy networks, 10 100 Mbps Ethernet, shielding, typically unshielded UTP. Note, obsolete, replaced by Cat 5e, Cat 5e, Category 5 enhanced, max speed 1 Gbps, 1000 Mbps, max bandwidth 100 MHz, use case common in homes, offices for Gigabit. Ethernet shielding, usually UTP, but shielded variants exist. Improvement, reduced crosstalk versus Cat. 5 Cat 6, max speed 1 Gbps, up to 10 Gbps at short distances, max bandwidth 250 MHz. Use case, business home networks needing better performance shielding, UTP or STP distance for 10 Gbps, up to 55 meters Cat 6A, augmented, max speed 10 Gbps, max bandwidth 500 MHz. Use case, high-speed networks, data centers. Shielding, usually shielded FUTP or SFTP, distance for 10 Gbps, up to 100 meters Cat. 7 max speed, 10 Gbps, max bandwidth 600 MHz. Use case, professional environments, supports Class F cabling, shielding fully shielded SFTP, Cat 8 max, speed 2540 Gbps, max, bandwidth 2000 MHz. Use case, data centers, high performance networking shielding, fully shielded SFTP, distance 30 meters for 2540 Gbps, summary comparison table category, max speed bandwidth, max distance 10 Gbps, shielding, typical UseCat, 310 Mbps, 16 MHz, NA UTP, legacy, phone, Ethernet Cat, 500 Mbps, 100 MHz, NA UTP, outdated networks, Cat 5e, 1 Gbps, 100 MHz, 100 MHz UTP, STP, home, small business, Cat 6, 110 Gbps, 250 MHz, 55 MHz UTP STP, business home networks, Cat 6A, 10 Gbps, 500 MHz, 100 and shielded enterprise data centers, Cat 7, 10 Gbps, 600 MHz, 100 fully shielded industrial environments, Cat 8, 25, 40 Gbps, 2000 MHz, 30 fully shielded data centers, high speed,